really appreciate the support. Thank you to all the staff for making it happen every day and putting in all the work to make this place clean. And thank you, Sherry, for all your work, my lovely wife, putting on the event for us. Thank you to Toyota Canada and Alec Markin for coming down here and supporting us for the event. Appreciate you guys making your travels to Lloyd.
I'll just say, hey man, on behalf of Toyota Canada, to everyone here, staff, family, friends, customers, love what you guys do here. It was great to be here just over 2 years ago to celebrate 30 years in the community. Over 30 years, over 8,000 units. Almer's really started a legacy here, which since 2018 you and Sherry really carried on, along with the whole team here. Always a pleasure to work with you guys. Appreciate the investment in the community here and in the Toyota brand. So from all of us at Toyota and execs and everyone at Prairie Zone, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Let's do it. Okay, let's press them together. Yeah, ready? Yeah. And 1, 2, 3.